Hello students. So we've already found out how to make variables, and we've also slightly started to getting into if statements. So we're going to add on to this if statement a for loop. Now here's the finished product. I'm going to show you what it's going to wind up doing when it's done, and then we'll go and make this in later parts. So first off, let me hit the start button here, wait for it to load up. And it takes its sweet time. So here's what I have. I have myself a spot where I can type something. And I can type something, and as you notice, my character counter is going down as I type. It keeps typing, 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 typing. And then once we get to a point where we're beyond how much we can type, the text will turn red, and it'll tell me, hey, I have too many characters. I can delete it. Oh, look, the characters are back. It's fine. So basically, we're imitating Twitter. But we're imitating Twitter with seemingly two objects. Now, obviously, it's not as simple as just having two objects on the form. So, get started, going into File, New Project. Of course, class, please be on the Visual Basic Windows Form app. If you're in a C# Windows Form app, your code will wind up being different. And in the case, like today, when I'm wind up being sick, that means I'm not going to be in class to help you. All the lectures will be up, all the rubric will be up, the submission data will be up, but I'm not going to be there to help you if you're in the wrong coding language. So please, these videos are in the .NET framework. If you do not have a computer that has the .NET framework on it, go to another one that does. That will help you out. And of course, as always, I shouldn't be having to tell you this, but always rename these things for whatever it is. Actually, let me rename it to something else. Twitter example. And always rename it to something that it is. Something different. I don't want to see App 1, App 2, App 3, App 4, App 5, so on and so forth. I am going to start docking points for that. And of course, here we are with our blank form. Once again, change the text, And remember, whatever it is, change it before you double-click it. So now my name of my form is changed before I double-click this, and now it's already changed the name in the coding. If I were to have double-clicked this before I changed the name, it would still be in the code Form 1. And if it says Form 1 here, but in here it says something different, that's going to cause an error because, oh hey, Form 1 doesn't exist. It's actually named D. Monticchio. So please, make sure you change the name first. It's going to just be the easiest way to do this, and that's not just with your form, that's for every single object.